So this is an urgent update for the reverse split for tomorrow. PHN have reverse split 1 to 50. So we have to discuss what we should do by tomorrow because the price pulled back big time today before the market opened. And of course, we reversed after we pumped down 26%. And the good thing is, right now, we are just down 3%. So there is a good sentiment that we have a big buyer over our support as we discussed before over the 1263. So let's dive deeper and discuss PHUN, guys. So before we discuss our price action for PHUN for tomorrow, plus the like button and the way in, show some love, and let's hit or update you guys for PHUN price action for tomorrow. Of course, guys, PHUN have an anticipation mode right now because we have a bit of selling pressure after the confirmation of the split by tomorrow. A lot of people don't want to hold PHUN before the split. As everybody knows, if we have a split, if we have earnings, if we have major news, there's a volatility. And many traders don't want to hold before the volatility. Of course, that's why we have the selling pressure. But there's smart people who bought the dip because they know we are getting near a major support area, which is the 1263. So that's why we've got a big buyer still, even over the 12. We didn't go toward the 12. We went until the 15 and the price reversed before that. So this is a good indication we've got a big buyer here. So for tomorrow, as we discussed it from the last video, yesterday, the price target after the reverse split 1 to 50 because right now it's around the 18. If you multiply by 50, we're gonna have the price around the $8, $9. As we said, the 27 will be around the $13.50. So after reverse split, we might have the 13.50. If you saw the 13.50 by tomorrow, 13.50 is mean we are having an early squeeze signal because this is the current resistance for PHN to squeeze after the reverse split, of course. Not now. Now is 27.39. So the 13.15 or the 13.50 is the signal that we started to squeeze, and we've got a good reaction after the reverse split. However, if we don't have this reaction and instead we went toward the 1263, I don't know how much or how many, and let me just see it right now, what's the price would be if we went there. Multiply by 50, yes, $6.30. So if you saw $6.30 and below the $6 is mean we've got a major selling pressure and panic selling and a negative reaction for the reverse split. And this means we're gonna have a flush down. So you have two targets. First, for the support is the 630, and the other one is the 1350. So we have two targets here. This is the resistance or the squeeze zone or positivity of price action for PHN for tomorrow after the reverse split. And we've got the 630, which is the support and the bearish momentum signal for PHN if we went below it. Simple as that, guys. You don't have to overthink, guys, because those levels are really important to hold or to break. Of course, for the resistance, we need to break in order to have a squeeze toward the 48 or even not the 48. We're gonna do the 37 first. After that, we have the 47. After that, the 75. So we have to watch out for those two levels only for PHN to have a drastic change. Remember, any price between the 27 and the 12 still not confirmation for a bearish or a bullish momentum up or down. Any price between, there is no reaction. Any price up or below, yes, we have indication either for a big seller or a big buyer. So we're gonna do update tomorrow for PHN before the market open on our Discord and Patreon. because we always do update for you guys. Today we hunted for ZVSA, of course, and this one pumped during the market open, then squeezed down. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. This one was one of the nice trade that we did for today, and even our hunters took their profit. Of course, they took their profit on this trade. We have this one, and our hunter Pikachu, he took his profit for this trade with us, of course, on our live streaming. You see here, we said exit around this level of profit taking because this stock got halted twice and it was risky to hold. That's why we suggest to exit there. And guess what? After that, of course, if you just hold and you don't know the exit, you be down, brother. Here, we went down from this profit taken until here, 42%. So this is really risky if you don't know how to exit. That's why we suggest, guys, if you don't know how to exit or enter, join us on our Discord and Patreon before the market open in order to show you where to enter, where to exit. Again, this is not a financial advice. Of course, you have to do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. However, tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, we're going to discuss PHN and other stocks. So join us for a huge update and price target for PHN, exactly where the price will go. And of course, we're going to cover PHN live after the reverse split. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.